The new Ulefone Armor 30 Pro rugged phone with a dual screen has arrived. For all content creators, outdoor enthusiasts and modern adventurers looking for a phone that will be both the reliable ally in extreme conditions and the creative companion, the Ulefone Armor 30 Pro sets a new standard in the world of rugged phones. This exceptional device offers a unique combination of durability and innovative features that will delight all those who want to capture, create and share their adventures without compromise. With impressive IP68, IP69K certification and mil-STD 810H standard, the Armor 30 Pro withstands immersion in water drops from heights and extreme weather conditions with no problems, but the real difference compared to the other rugged phones is its additional large 3.4-inch rear screen that opens up completely new possibilities. In this additional screen that makes the Armor 30 Pro particularly attractive to vloggers and content creators, it allows you to use the main camera for high-quality selfies, which is a real game-changer for anyone who regularly records themselves in action. While you are recording, the rear screen gives you a live preview, allowing you to always be sure of quality of the shot. Under the hood, it's a real beast, the MediaTek Dimensity 7300X processor with impressive 16GB of RAM, which ensures flawless performance and even editing videos or working with demanding applications. The photographic setup with the 50MP main camera, 64MP night vision and a 50MP ultra-wide lens together with the rear screen makes the perfect tool for professionals shooting in all conditions. A massive 12,800 mAh battery ensures that you can shoot for days without worrying about charging, and a 66V fast charging significantly shortens the time spent on the outlet. For vloggers, outdoor photographers and adventurers looking for a phone that will serve as both a reliable tool and creative partner, the Ulefone Armor 30 Pro is an exceptional choice that can hardly be beat. Don't forget to check out the sales links below this video and get yourself the new Ulefone Armor 30 Pro today at discounted price.